Hello, beautiful friends. Look who I got here.
Hey, Handyman Steve.
And we are going to really dig in. It's going to be a down and dirty garden project today.
Yeehaw.
He's real excited.
Yeah, because I told her I didn't like these from the beginning. It's really kind of not our style, but it's all good. It's all good. It's
totally my style. It's not his style.
So we got a new plan. And
we have a beautiful plan. It's going to be a project with boxwoods, and this is going to be the official start of it, you guys. So you got to, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I want to show you how beautiful we can get this area looking, and it's just going to be. I'm so excited. I know he's not, but we're going to get there, right?
Yes, we'll get there.
All right, friends, follow us today. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment. What else should they do?
Subscribe. All right, so we're starting to line the insides, correct?
Yep. So this is what we were thinking, you guys. We're gonna take whatever cardboard we can find today and just line around these boxes. And then what we think we're gonna do is take a shovel and see if we can lift these boxes up. I'm gonna do my best to save my sunflowers over here. I'm gonna save a few larkspur. We might let a few larkspur just keep on living, because right now we're gonna worry about the outskirt of the border with the boxwoods. Okay, I was trying to wait to see if these are actual weeds and not my straw flowers, but I'm pretty certain they're weeds. So Steve just talked me into pulling them. And I want to definitely save my bulbs. These are my beautiful tulip bulbs from this year. So I'm hoping I can save those.
See them?
I don't see it.
Right here.
Oh, okay. Okay, maybe Steve found a praying mantis baby. Oh my gosh. There's the baby. Oh, good job, Steve.
Put him over in this stuff?
Yeah.
There you go. There's a nice one for you, buddy. Okay.
These are all the tulips we are saving.
All right, so now I'm just going to use the shovel as this kind of, just to pop this stuff back out of the ground. And then Linette and I can lift them off, spread that dirt around a little bit.
It's probably one of our hottest gardening days too, because the sun's out, and I think it's going to hit almost 80 today. See if we can do this, Steve.
Ready?
One. Oh, that's going to be easy. Oh.
Well, we got the middle. Is the middle? Oh, there we go.
Okay, so we'll put it on the side of our house, and hopefully maybe somebody can use them. You know, or maybe we should put them right out on the street.
I think we recycle.
Okay. Steve doesn't think anybody wants them. I do. Okay, so what I'm thinking, my main job today is to kind of measure out where I want my boxwoods to go. But I want them to be like from corner. Well, I want it to go to that corner though, Steve. And come 2 feet in with your foot.
Which is right there, which is a nice spot.
Yeah. So I think that's where you start digging.
Okay.
Okay? You good?
Yep.
So we love this new auger that we got. It'll just get him started on the hole, and then he'll use the shovel.
Yep, it's got a nice forward, reverse right here.
Yep.
So then you just dig it out, and then kind of just moving around. Painted shovel from several episodes ago.
Yeah. And Steve doesn't mind using my pink shovel every now and then, do you, honey? I gotta show you how root bound these are. So these boxwoods are gonna be so happy with me anything's root bound like this, you want to try to pull these roots out a little bit. And I'm going to give it a little handful of some potting soil. I don't know why I do that. I don't know if it helps, but I do it. And then you want to give a handful of biotone in here and get these roots going, you guys. The first boxwood! Woohoo! That's exciting. Right? Steve says, yeah, real exciting.
All that stuff, yeah, so that's nice potting soil right there.
Yeah, I know it. All right, and then I always kind of step on it. Do you guys do that? So for this bed here, you guys, I'm gonna try to keep my larkspur, and those are sunflowers, because we might not get to the V of the boxwoods this year, but we'll see. Ready, Steve?
Yep, one.
Taking a break, guys.
We just need to...
Whew, gardening it for the week. Okay, so we're doing the same thing, going from this pole, the center of the pole, over to this corner, and then we're gonna come in 2 feet. So this is 9, 8, 7, and it's right where Steve put it. He put a little leaf there. So we thought we would go ahead and dig this corner one, and then what I thought we could do is measure from each boxwood to the middle, and that's where we'll do our next one. The second one. And honey, you see what I'm doing? When you're digging on your own and planting, you gotta do this.
Well, who says I'm planting?
Oh, you're not ever gonna plant? Okay. I'm trying to get him to become a planter. Steve doesn't like to touch the dirt either.
I mean, I'll be out here with you, all right? I can maybe help. I can maybe do 1 or 2, I guess.
Well, you could just dig the hole and then I could put it in it the next day.
Yeah. Or it'll be some evening when we're both here.
Does that look like that's lining up with that one?
Right here's the center.
Okay, it looks like it is.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Okay, so now we're gonna measure from the center of the plant.
It's 150.
Okay.
So 75 is the center,
Okay,
which is about right there.
You want to lock it and drop it and come there and see?
75 is pretty good, actually. It's right here, which is center of that. So,
perfect.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, I'll move it. I'll hold my toe here.
Steve don't need a measuring tape.
Well,
do your handyman Steve.
Like you said, measure twice. But yeah, that's nice and centered. Perfect.
Steve went in to take a little break because he's been out here way longer than I have. He got out here and he cut the grass, and we were both getting a little hot. So I got this middle one planted here. And then there's the one on the end. Then what I want to do is take from this one to that one and see if I can fit one in the middle and then 2 on each side of it. Hopefully that'll give us, because I want to, these get between 4 and 5 feet tall. So I want to give them at least 2 feet in between. Let me show you how far we made it. I got this pile of dirt flattened out. And then we got these boxwoods planted, and I'm loving how straight they are. I was trying to be very meticulous on how straight they are. And we ended up measuring, I think, 20 inches in between each boxwood from the center to the center. And then now we know if I'm not here, Zach and Steve can come out and do the same thing in this area here until we move on over to the next stage of it all. So Just look how pretty these look, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Larkspur. Anyways, I'm super duper excited for this project. And I think maybe 3 really good days now that we know kind of what's happening and we got the measuring kind of down. I don't think it'll take too much longer. I do want to show you guys how pretty the yard's looking though. Steve came out and mowed, and oh my gosh, I love when, you know, he comes out and mows and the freshness of it all. It's like my favorite time that the garden looks so pretty. I gotta even that pot up a little bit more. But it's a beautiful day today. Really one of our first sunny days in quite a long time without the chance of rain. Take you through our, look how pretty they're looking, you guys, the bubble gum. There's my Boxwood Heaven. And I ended up purchasing I'm so excited about this, you guys. It is a Summer Cascade Wisteria. Now, where I'm planting it is still in the works. I was kind of thinking I would plant it on this pole here, but I got to think about sun requirements, so I'm not 100% sure if that's where it'll end up. And then my other new purchase is this beautiful dappled willow. It's called Hikura Nishiki. And Nikki got one in the bush form, and I've been wanting one in a tree form. Now this one's not looking that great, but I think it'll be okay. Just gotta find the right spot to put it, right? My bubble gum's looking pretty good in most places. Got my little lace-capped hydrangea coming up here. Still got some roses coming up over there. My alliums are done. I gotta pull those out. I'm loving this new planter here with the boxwood in the middle. Everything is so green right now, but we gotta wait. This is a perennial bed. I am gonna put some annuals around the edges though. And then this is another project over here. I'm gonna put the arborvitaes there. My Happy Jack clematis is looking pretty. And then this rose mallow here has kind of lost its mind. I mean, I'm gonna cut some of this back because it's kind of taken over my Annabelle hydrangea there. But I love this rose mallow for some early summer blooms. I'll put another pink bubble gum there. Everything's just looking pretty to me. I got a lot of work still to do, but you know, it'll get there, right? Thank you guys so much for watching this phase of the Boxwood Hedge Project. And I'm super duper excited. You guys go find boxwood or whatever shrub that makes you happy. And go find your passion today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.